yesterday, that bus accident, it was still shut down when I went into town. And I saw the state coming out with their sweeper truck, so they must have had some gravel all over the road or something.
Could have been. And on the left is Red Oaks Golf Club.
Yeah, it used to be. It's a mess now. They were planting corn in there. It's just a darn shame. See how terrible it is. They tried to sell it. Nobody wanted it. All growed up. Now, Gage lives out here somewhere, Roger.
He does?
Yeah, but I don't know exactly where.
I was going to say.
Gage that went to Tennessee with us.
Yeah. I was going to show you that road that goes back to that chicken farm.
Yeah.
It's up here on the right.
Oh, my Auntie and Uncle John's friend lives back there. I've been back there. I know exactly where you're talking about, right up here.
Yeah.
Yeah, their friends live back there. House is on the left.
It's about, I want to say 4 miles back there.
Huh.
I don't think it's that one. It's just one up there.
Yeah. Oh, I was saying that one.
No, you're right.
Yeah. Because this one up here is Carducci's.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, that's what Apple Stern was.
I was wrong.
Sorry.
Better mark it down.
Yeah, better, because you don't omit too much. This is good old Unionport. Fire department right here on the left. They got a nice one.
The old church.
Yeah. I think they still use that.
Yep.
Dylan's relatives live right here on the left. The Davises. And the Lashes right there.
The old school building.
Yeah, I went there for a, what did I go there for? Christmas party or Halloween party? One of them. It's a dance. Hey, railroad tracks are terrible. I don't even know if any trains ride on these suckers anymore. Ugh.
Maybe Apex.
I don't know if it comes this direction.
I thought you'd glide right over that with your new shocks.
It still hurts me. So you turn up that way, and it takes you out there to Route 22. There's the old, what's that called? Oh, I don't know. Oh, there's where they live, this White House.
With the ice stick?
Yeah, the sweet treats.
Oh, okay.
I used to take a patient there. They lived in that house. When I worked for Checker.
Yeah.
Yeah. He did have a garage that wasn't very big. No wonder he told me that. Mums for sale. Have you seen old Mr. Woods lately?
No, last time I saw him, I came out to tow a car in.
Hmm.
He's having trouble with those trees falling down.
Huh. All the trees here are all different colors. Oh, they paved this.
Just a little section.
Yeah. This road's always been so bumpy. Even when I was in school, I used to drive this road to go to JVS. Oh, they paved their driveway finally.
I guess the leaves are changing.
They are. They are. I wonder why they haven't paved it all. They just did a section of it.
Probably can't afford to.
No.
There goes my car.
Yep. Ooh, bumpy. $11. We're gonna go right over top of Route 22.
Turn left.
We're in Bloomingdale. Old Boney's used to be a gas station store. I used to stop there before I went to school to get some snacks. Gas is only $3.39.
Here's the old Watersville High School.
Yeah. It was a high school?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Pretty sure.